Welcome back to candle making. Today I'm gonna turn the crumbled tops of these candles to smooth surfaces. To start, I need a wick trimmer, and if you don't have one, I have 3 different kinds that I will be using in this video, starting with a regular nail clipper. It's important to know that wick trimming matters for a number of reasons. First, it reduces the soot and black smoke you may see when burning a candle. It also helps candles burn evenly with a smaller flame, which in turn helps the candle burn longer. This is why we tend to emphasize wick trimming, but knowing most people don't listen, I make sure to trim my candle wicks. After this, I use a heat gun to melt the top crumbled layers of the candles so they look more professional. You may notice sometimes after pouring, candles can develop imperfections like uneven textures, sinkholes, and frosting. These are expected and perfectly normal, but melting that top layer with the heat gun helps to smooth out these flaws. Not only that, it also gets rid of the air bubbles that sometimes get trapped in the candle, like this one right here. You can see a hole forming when I start melting that top layer where the wax was touching the wick holder. And after melting it for a few seconds, I was able to fill that hole with the melted wax. If not taken care of, this candle would not burn evenly and would end up tunneling, which is when the candle burns straight down the middle. Another helpful reason to use a heat gun is being able to recenter those wicks. Sometimes the wicks can shift during the pouring and cooling process, so the heat gun can soften the wax just enough to recenter those wicks for an even burn. When I'm done with this step, I let the top layers of the candles cool down so they become smooth. And this is how I turn these crumbled tops to smooth and professional looking candles. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to see how I prepare my candle labels.